Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish using color paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need a few sheets of colorful paper, a pair of scissors, and some craft glue. Selecting paper with bright, engaging colors will make your fish truly pop. Make sure your scissors are sharp enough for clean cuts, which will help achieve a neat finish for your paper fish creation. Let's begin crafting our aquatic friends. Now, let's create the main body of our fish. Take one square sheet of paper and fold it diagonally, corner to corner, to form a perfect triangle. Next, take the two bottom corners of this triangle and fold them upwards, aligning them with the top point. These folds will start to define the fins of your fish. Remember to press down firmly on all your creases for a sharp, professional look. With the basic body shape ready, it's time to add some character. Carefully cut small, gentle curves into the edges of the folded fins to give them a more natural, flowing appearance. Then, turn your paper over and cut a distinct V-shape into the back edge. This will become the fish's tail. Finally, grab a marker and draw a simple eye and a few scale patterns on the body to bring your fish to life. To complete your paper fish, apply a tiny dab of craft glue to any folds that seem a bit loose, ensuring everything stays securely in place. For an extra touch of magic, you might consider adding some glitter or small sequins to give your fish a shimmering effect. Once dry, your beautiful paper fish is ready. You can display it, use it as a bookmark, or even give it as a thoughtful handmade gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.